What's going on, guys? It's your girl Chanel Stevens. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to be going over the secret method that I use to find winning CPA offers right off Facebook. Now this method is really simple, and I know I've taught other methods in my videos, so you're probably like, hey, so what about the training video I just watched on your channel? Is that's still valid? And yes, I do still go within Facebook and enter in niches and things like that. But this tool just makes it way easier because I don't know if you've been keeping up with all the Facebook changes, but Facebook has been becoming more and more transparent. They used to have the info and ads on the side, but they kind of moved that to now it's just within page transparency. And now they have something new called the ads library. So that's what I want to go over today and how I've been using the ads library to find winning CPA offers. And all I really do is just go into Google, and then you can see it right here. I just hit ads library, and it's usually the first result within Google. All right, so I'm inside Facebook. You can actually go ahead and add me because I have like a ton of fake profiles and fake groups and things like that. So this is just a way you can like just know the real Chanel Stevens or whatever. First thing I want you to do is just change this to all, because once you first get in the ads library, it's gonna say like United States. So just go ahead and just change that to all, so you can see all the countries. And that's just another thing you can do in here. But basically, the ads library is what it sounds like. You can see all Facebook ad inventory, all the inactive ads, active ads for any page, pretty much. Everything is transparent on Facebook now, so everything is available for you to see, and more details is given, so I'm gonna break all that down in this video. All right, and I also went ahead and just logged into 2 affiliate networks. I have the top offers for affiliates on here, and I also have Cash Network pulled up, and we'll get into that in a minute. But what I first just want to do is tell you, like, whatever network you're in, Max Bounty, ClickBank, Cash Network, or any of these networks, like, it doesn't matter. They all have offer categories, and you need to be able to basically pick from one of those offer categories to kind of single down what you're trying to do. And so that just makes this process easier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and just search through the top offers right here in affiliates, so you can see just these are the top offers, and you can see like the EPC, like it's 38 cent, 58 cent. This is like almost $2. So like out of all these, this is like one of the best. We have also a free credit one right here. And it just looks like if you get somebody to subscribe, that you all get $12. So I've seen these offers work on Facebook really well. So let's just see if this is something we can find in the ad library, and like see if like we can find like a winning ad or something we can use, or see if anybody else is running this on Facebook, basically, because this video is really about finding winning CPA offers and things will do well once you like start spending money on it. So let's just go into here and just type in what is it, Fab Fit Fun. So let's just type that in. So I typed in Fab Fit Fun, and let's just see what ran for this. Okay, looks like this doesn't really have nothing to do with it, but this looks like an actual like celebrity ad. And anybody who knows like the type of campaigns I run, that these are really powerful when you have like celebrity proof to back your offer. So this is actually a video I might use because this is Kim Zoliak. She's a celebrity.
I'm Kim Bierman, and I'm here with my beautiful daughter, Brielle Bierman, and we are opening our spring FabFitFun box.
Yeah, so she's opening up a FabFit box, and I would most likely use this as an ad. And usually you don't really get this lucky when you're actually like searching for stuff. Like this is just lucky we was able to type in FabFitFun. Usually you got to type in like the name and maybe like subscription box, or like use like some type of keywords to get this ad to trigger, but this is pretty crazy. Let me just show you guys how to see like more details. So what you'll do is you'll click see ad details, and you can see that they got less than 1 million impressions, but over 100,000 impressions. They spent between 10 to 50,000 on this ad, which probably was paid for by the actual company. So it must have been working for them to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on it. And you can kind of see it's not saturated because Kim has more than 100,000 fans. She has over 1 million fans, so you can just target more of her fans with this ad. And it just looks like what happened was it got suspended. So you can actually come down here and see what happened. and it just says this ad ran without a disclaimer. So they said it was about social issues, politics, or something like that. And maybe she could have gotten in touch with Facebook and really fought that, because this has nothing to do with politics or social issues or anything like that. So she should be able to run this, but they probably made enough money and said, hey, you know what, we've got enough, thank you for the partnership, and probably went on and and now they're getting CPA traffic for the actual offer. But you could kind of see more info, like what link it actually went to, so we can click here and just see where it took people to. So it looks like it takes them there. Then you can actually go on affiliates and see basically the offer, the landing page that affiliates is going to send them to. You can see it's the same landing page. So what you could do is you could actually really run this offer. This is actually a good offer that I found for you guys. You can really test this out. You can ask your affiliate manager in whatever network you're in, do they have this offer? Can they get it? And maybe you can even join affiliates. I'll check with my affiliate manager and see if it's okay if I refer people from YouTube and things like that. I'm not sure if that's allowed. I usually only refer private coaching students, so you have to be my private coaching student in order to get my actual link, so you can get access to these offers. But what I want to go ahead and do now is, what you would do is you can even see more data. So let me just go more in depth. So you could see more photos. You can see this is another picture. You could test out a picture ad. So you have multiple creatives that you can use. You have them actually holding up the fun box. That could be an ad. So right now you have 3 ads. You have a video ad, you have a picture ad, and I would even use this picture with it open. So that looks like 3 ads you can test out with this simple offer. So this is really, really good, guys. And I'm happy I found this on actual live video for you guys. All right, so another thing you could do is you can go to her actual page. And this is if you were searching on Facebook and looking for winning offers or different CPA things you could do. What you could do is you can go, and this is loading really slow. Let me try this again. You can actually go within these specific pages, and how you get to the ads library of them is you by going to page transparency right here, and you click see more. And you can see here she has 2 million fans, so there's just a ton of people you can actually target. All right, so you can kind of see the page history and things like that. But what I like to do is just go to the actual ad library of the page, and what that does is you can just see more details. So you can see so far she spent about $21,000, and it was only one ad. She only ran one ad, so this ad basically cost they spent $21,000. So to me, this is a winning offer, because if we just go to let me go back to this offer. I would check it on SimilarWeb, even if it, I see somebody spent a good ton of money on it. I still would check it on SimilarWeb, make sure it's, still working and things like that, because that was back in February. But you can see this is a hot offer. It gets 3 million monthly visits, low bounce rate. You can even test this out for her fans in Canada as well. You can run that in Canada. And you could just see it's 7%. A lot of it is search, things like that. So it's just gives you more insight into the actual offer. But this looks like a really, really, really good offer, and I would run this. So what I would do is I would go here, and I would just right click and I would save all these. So what you could do is you can actually come here and right click and save all these images right here. You can save this video, save as, and then you'll be able to that actually saves the whole web page. But what you could do is you could actually get the so you can save video as, so here it is. So you'll be able to save these videos and things like that. And Facebook made it more simpler to spy on ads. It's pretty crazy. I literally let's see how long this video has been running. I've literally been on this video less than 20 minutes, and I already found a winning ad, a winning CPA offer that you could go out and test right now. Now, what I would do is I would make just a regular fan page that's kind of like general. I wouldn't name the fan page FabFitBot. I don't think you can do stuff like that. But I would just make a page that's targeted at these demographics, so you can see that she only targeted women, so there's no need to target men. Target these age groups. I would probably go for probably 18 to 44. I'll just do that, and just maybe even do 3 different ad groups as well. And what I'll do is I'll stay tuned to my channel. I'll make another video basically going over how I would target and things like that. So I guess this could be like part 1, and then like part 2 would just be like me showing you how I would actually run this, the type of page I would create for it, things like that. And we can go from there. So stay tuned to the channel for that. Like this video, subscribe if you enjoyed it, leave a comment if you want more videos like this. But this is just a quick little video just to show you guys how simple and easy it is to basically find winning CPA offers. You know, you literally just search on your affiliate network, and we only really did one. I'm in Cash Network as well, but you can see they have tons and tons of offers as well. And you just find, you know, or you ask your affiliate manager some of the top offers, and you just do a little bit of research. So that's all you got to do, and that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.